everyone, Chris with Remax Heritage Professionals, and this is the second part of my series on home inspections. These are questions to ask during the inspection. So we already went over the questions to ask before you hire an inspector. Now you've hired your inspector. These are questions to ask during the inspection, or as we talked about in the last video, really during the last 30 minutes of the home inspection. So as the inspector is going through different things that they've identified, ask them what that particular finding or issue means. So for example, oftentimes when an appliance is older, the home inspector will put language in the inspection report that says air conditioning is past its useful life. Now, that doesn't mean the AC isn't working. It may be working just fine, especially if the homeowner has done a good job of maintaining it. It just means that it is an older unit, and it could fail at any time. But getting clarification from the home inspector about things like that, language that's going to be in the report, can be really helpful for you to understand what the report really means. The second question to ask is this finding or issue that you had a major concern or a minor concern? This will help you prioritize either what to ask the seller to repair or what you need to do once you become the owner of the home. Third, what is the cause of that water spot on the ceiling, and does it require immediate repair? In Florida, we get such hard rains. We have hurricanes, we have hailstorms, bad thunderstorms, any number of which can cause some roofing issues, especially for an older roof. So it's not uncommon that you'll go into an older home, might have a brand new roof on it, but you'll go in and you'll see some staining on the ceiling. What's really important to know about that staining on the ceiling is that an active leak? Is there moisture up there? Or was that from before the roof was replaced? So asking your home inspector questions about that is really, really important and can help you determine how urgent those repairs might be. It might just be a paint job, or it might need to be structurally taken care of. So that's an important thing for you to know. How can I effectively maintain specific systems or components in the house? I mentioned before that one of my home inspectors was a home builder, and so he knows all the different systems in a house and how they're supposed to work and the best way to maintain them. So take advantage of that home inspector's expertise while you're there and ask them. If you've never had a septic system before, ask them questions about what's the best way to maintain a septic system. AC, what kind of maintenance is required for your air conditioning? I don't really worry about the heat too much in Florida because you only need it like one night. But air conditioning is really, really important. So what's the best way to maintain that AC and give it the longest life possible? So questions like that are really, really important so that you can do the best job of minimizing your costs for major repairs for your new home, and just focus on maintenance. And finally, what is your biggest concern for the property? So this can be a good way for you to identify if there is something that you maybe need to ask the seller to repair before you'll close. So their opinion on that is important. Some of them can give you an estimate on what they think the cost of the repair will be. So those are important questions to ask during the home inspection. I hope that you found this information helpful, and again, my goal here is to make that home inspection as useful as it can be to you as possible, and I know that the home inspectors I use want the same, and so this is really important information when you're purchasing a home, and whether it's a resale or a new home, frankly. As always, if I can help you buy or sell real estate in Central Florida or help your friends and family, I'd appreciate the referral. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd love to have you on here, and let me know if there's topics you'd like me to cover. Otherwise, have a great day, everybody.